Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about correlation. So in correlations, we need to understand the points which we required to understand for correlation. So first of all, we need to understand what is the correlation and what is the scatter diagram. Then we need to understand Cole-Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Then we need to understand Spearman rank correlation coefficient, and then what is partial correlation, what is the multiple correlation, what is the intra-class correlation, and what is correlation ratio. These are the points is important under correlation topics. So we will discuss one by one in separate video. So here, what is the correlation? That is one of the important points. So correlation is a statistical tool that helps to measure and analyze the degree of relationship between two variables. So degree of relationship is important points here we need to understand. Then correlation analysis deals with the association between two or more variables in terms of the degree of relationships. And other way we can say the degree of relationship between the variables under consideration is measured through the correlation analysis. So correlation analysis we'll discuss separately. And the measure of correlation called correlation coefficients, and the degree of relationship is expressed by coefficient which range from correlations -1 to +1. So we can say correlation coefficient of correlation always lies between -1 to +1. Then the direction of change is indicated by a sign. It may be plus sign, it may be negative sign, or we can say it is the positive correlation or negative correlation. So the correlation analysis enable us to have an idea about the two variables under the study. Now we need to understand direction of the correlation. So it may be positive relationship, variables change in the same directions. Like for example, as x value of x is increasing and variable y is increasing, and x is decreasing, y is decreasing, and it's plus or negative. For example, as height increases, so does weight. And in negative relationship, variable change in opposite directions. And for example, x is increasing, so y is decreasing. X is decreasing, then y is increasing. So this is important points. Direction we need to understand x and y in terms of the positive correlations, positive relationship, and negative relationships. This is the important. For example, as TV time increases, grades decreases for students. Those are going to appear in examinations. And if they are watching whole days the TV, and tomorrow they are going to appear in examination, so there is a chance their grades would be decreased. Now, one more examples we need to understand positive relationship, like water consumption and temperature. Means once temperature is increasing, so water consumption would be increased the same directions. And study time, where students are studying more time they are giving, so their exam grades would be increase same direction. And negative relationships, if alcohol consumptions, this x increasing, say then driving ability would be decreasing. This is negative relationship. Price increasing, quantity demanded decreasing. This is the again negative relationship. So these are the points, positive relationship and negative relationship. Now one of the important points we need to understand, scatter diagram. What is the scatter diagram? Scatter diagram is a graph of observed plotted points, and where each point represents the value of x and y as a coordinate. So it portrays the relationship between these two variables graphically, like this is the horizontal line, this is the x we can say, and this is the y. And if we are putting variable x and y, this graph, so here each value of the x and y we can plot, and we will get the line scattergram like this way, like this way. So we can understand the relationship with help of the scatter diagram. This is about basic information about the correlations. Thank you.